Hi everyone, this video is on equation practice with angles. So in this problem, they give us angle A is 8x plus 74 and angle B is 2x plus 36. And they want us to go through and they want us to figure out what is the value of x, but then find the measurement of B. So in order to do this, we first have to know our angle relationships. So for our angle relationships here, we need to notice that if this is angle A, then this angle here would also be angle A because of alternate interior angles, which would then mean that these two angles, A plus B, have to equal 180 degrees. So that would mean that if I'm doing 8x plus 74, I need to add that to 2x plus 56. And that would give me a total of 180 degrees. So then remember that we can now combine together the 8x and the 2x, and that is going to give us 10x plus, we want to add together the 74 plus the 56, and when we do that, we get 130. That is equal to then 180. Now we have to solve the equation. So get rid of adding 130, we subtract 130, subtract 130. So that would mean that 10x then is equal to 50. Divide by 10, divide by 10. We find out that x is equal to 5. However, the question wants to know what's the measure of angle B. So we need to do 2 times 5 plus 56. So 2 times 5 is 10 plus 56 gives you the answer, which is 66 degrees. So our answer for this problem should be 66. Okay, so once again, we have to look at our problem. And we'll notice that this is on the exterior and this is on the exterior. In fact, these are alternate exterior angles, which means they're equal. Or you could do, these are equal because they're vertical, and then this angle and this angle would be corresponding, this angle and this angle would be corresponding, or these two are vertical. In the end, you come to the conclusion that A is equal to B. So that would mean that 10x plus 24 is equal to 6x plus 72. So the way that is the easiest way to solve these is to move the smaller x. So to get rid of a positive 6x, I subtract 6x, subtract 6x. That means this is now 4x plus 24 equals, and then you still have your 72. Now we need to get rid of adding 24. So we subtract 24, subtract 24. When we do that, we now have 4x is equal to 72 minus 24, which I have a calculator that I'm using. That gives me 48. I divide by 4, divide by 4. I find out that x is 12. But again, it wants the measurement, in this case, of angle A. So angle A, I have to do 10 times 12 plus 24. So 10 times 12 is 120 plus 24. So my answer should be 144 degrees. So once again, we're going to look at what we have here. We are solving for angle B. We see angle A is here, angle B is here. So these are alternate interior angles, where the last one was alternate exterior. And again, that would mean that A is equal to B. There we go. So that would mean that in this situation, given the values, that would mean that 5x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 24. Again, I would start out by getting rid of that 2x, subtract 2x, subtract 2x. So 5x minus 2x is 3x. You still have the minus 12. equals then 24. To get rid of subtracting 12, you would add 12 and add 12. So that means that 3x then is equal to 36, because those would cancel. We then divide both sides by 3, which apparently I can't go down any lower, so we divide both sides by 3. So that would mean then that the x is equal to 12. But this time they want us to find the value of b. So we got to go back to our problem, and we got to look at what the value of b is and replace x with 12. So 2 times 12 plus 24. 2 times 12 then is 24 plus 24, which then would be 48. So that would be your answer then, which is 48. All right, for this one, the measurement of angle A. So if we look again, we could continue the circle, and we would notice they're in the same spots. So that means that they are corresponding angles. And again, corresponding angles are equal to each other. So A would be equal to B. So in this situation, then 7x plus 24 is equal to 3x plus 92. I would again get rid of my 3x, the smaller one, and move it over. So 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x plus 24 then equals 92. Those cancel. Get rid of the 24 by subtracting 24 from both sides. So 4x is equal to 92 minus 24, which is 68. We then have to divide both sides by 4. So if we do 68 divided by 4, we find out that x is equal to 17. So then x is equal to 17. However, the question wants to know what's the value of a. So we have to again do 7 times 17 plus 24. So 7 times 17, 119 plus 24 should give us an answer of 143 degrees. So that would be 143. So hopefully this video helped you out if you are struggling with equation practice with angles. Thank you for watching.